Doug Staples. I work for C&P Operating. I do order fulfillment, supply chain, logistics, and procurement.
My name is Brian Verdi. I work at Hemp Nectar. I'm the Director of Operations. My day-to-day, engineering new systems, keeping track of production numbers, reporting to the board.
Our biggest problem was keeping track of inventory. Because our locations are spread out, we do a lot of transferring between locations, and we didn't really have a way to track that.
Before we started using Figgro, the issues that we were having involved continuous processes. All of our processes were held up because there was no way for us to utilize product that was being run. It always had to be completed within the process that it was currently running before any of that product, any of that batch could be used. It was just a holdup that not only got in the way of inventory management, but got in the way of our overall sales and being able to get product out the door.
Before using Figgro, we tried 3 different systems. None of them did what we needed them to do.
I think we had 6 different CRM, ERP type programs that we had tried before this.
Before we started using Figgro, we had a Dropbox with 15 different Excel documents to track sales, inventory, receiving. There was a lot of mistakes on the paper batch records, and it wasn't easy to track throughout the whole facility.
Most other CRMs or ERPs that we worked with overcomplicated everything and become impossible to use after a certain point if they're not set up correctly.
You'd have to read a batch number, see where it went, find a new batch record, open a different spreadsheet. And with Dropbox, if 2 people had it open, you'd make conflicting copies, things would get lost.
And not only that, impossible to teach.
We had to change our business model to fit their CRMs, where with Figgro, their team was able to customize to our needs and our production and whatnot.
Now as we use Figgro, we have accounting, administrative staff all in different places, different states, and there's 17 different phone calls a day. What's our inventory? What's the progress on this? And the basic dashboard on Figgro is easy because if they call, I just say, look at the dashboard, here's our inventory, and here's our sales orders, purchase orders.
What has made me happiest about using Figgro is absolutely the simplicity and being able to teach that to the departments. If you're working with teams of people, you have to be able to trust that they're going to put in the correct information and know what they're doing without being confused. And since using Figgro, our processes are exponentially faster. We are able to trace things with a degree of accuracy that we couldn't.
Now that we're using Figgro, we've been able to streamline production process, sales process, and communication with our sales. Added a bunch of clients. We know our inventory. We can get it out the door quickly for samples.
I would say that the best part of Figgro is the team that built it, because any problems that we did have, within a couple of hours we worked through them. Any things that we needed change after we started using them, they completely customized for us.
They fix bugs quickly. They've helped us develop the sales part of it. After our production got going, we've edited our production as the direction of the company shifts.
Again, that's been a really great thing for us, that they created their CRM around us.
We are also able to utilize the continuous process that was the main thing that we were very concerned about, and this quelled all those concerns. We're able to use all the product that we need to when we need to use it.
I would recommend Figgro in the cannabis hemp space. With this, it's kind of catered to the hemp space already. The framework of it is already in place.
If I were to recommend Figgro, I would definitely tell them, are you interested in something that works? Because it's the only one that's worked for us. If you're looking at something that's scalable, it's the best product out there.